Join me today as we look for some ramps. A delicious spring type onion leek combo. I'm in a public spot, so I can't pick here. I actually have them grown in my yard. But they like water, rich earth, some little bit of hills, and an untouched forest. Once they go in there and pull them out, they don't come back. They grow with little rhizomes, beautiful green leaves, and the stem is usually purplish and a strong smell of onion. And so we're gonna look around in here for those. Well, I can't figure out how to record with it, but it sure is cute. Ooh. Go way up high. Nice. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's cool. That was wicked cool. Right above my head. Oh. Nice. Okay. It landed nice. Got the salmon fishing going on. This is little estuary from our big Lake Michigan. See all the fishermen trying to get. We'll walk some trails and through ramps in the forest here. With the early warm-up, the ramps are popping up in my yard, so I thought I'd check a cooler area to see if there are any, and so far I'm not seeing them. Normally around April 8th, you get little ones that are pickable, but we're still in mid-March. Early warm-up, you know, crazy. Let's look around. More fishermen down there. Oh, he's trying to get on a log. Careful. Careful. I don't see any greens sprouting up. These are smelling great. Wild ramps. Another spring treasure if you have private land where you can harvest them responsibly.